Hi guys, welcome to the third video of the Valentino series. For this, let's see how this pin card is made. Take two circles of 8 cm and 10 cm. Now take the smaller circle and draw a line from the center to the edge. Now cut along this line. Once the line is cut, place the smaller circle in the center of the larger circle and draw a hole. Mark the end points of the shorter circle. Now cut from the center to the marked point. Once done, insert the shorter circle inside the larger circle in the way it's shown. Check if the shorter circle is spinning properly. Now make the hole bigger and insert a T double-sider inside. If you want to know how to make this T double-sider, please comment down and I'll make a separate video on it. Once done, stick a small piece of paper at the ends of the T to secure it. Now your spin card would look something like this. Take a rectangular strip of paper and stick it in the middle of the T and at the corner of the shorter circle. Take another rectangular strip and stick it at the back side of the shorter circle. Stick the two strips together and check if the card is spinning properly. Once done, cut out the excess paper. Now take a cardstock of whichever color you like and stick the rotating card on top of it. For sticking, put some glue in the middle of the back side and at the corner of the larger circle. Stick it in place so that the handle is in the between. Your spin card is ready. If you enjoyed this video, please hit the thumbs up and like, share and subscribe to my channel and hit that bell icon to get notified about all my latest videos. Thank you.